sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool, right? Checking from my fan life is fantastic. I was broke as hell sleeping on the mattress. I feel like a hell when nobody happy. Hot shells jumping out, they send me automatic. Ready up by the color, got a
new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Hey guys, welcome welcome back to my channel. My name is Christian. In this video, I'm going to be attempting to do my edges. I've tried to do my edges before, but I kind of take it as a joke because I have adolescent hairs. I don't have baby hairs, so we're gonna see how this goes. Please rate how you think I did in the comments. So these are my edges, nothing on them. I'm gonna go get an oil, my edge control, and my edge brush. And I'm going to be following African Beauty's How to Safely Lay Your Edges tutorial for type 4 hair. I'm going to go grab I look crazy. I'm going to go grab a rat tail comb like she has.
Underneath, swoop, middle finger follows. So it's like a seamless type of swoop. For these, just pull that out a little bit, but I won't style it yet, I won't swoop it yet. Then I'm gonna go to the widow's peak, and I'll just swoop it. And you see kind of how it's like, do that, swoop it, and down, this fourth swoop, literally just use my... For the sake of the video, y'all think I should go swoop crazy? Show y'all how to really lay some edges out? Like, can be wide or it can be thin. I feel like I'm doing pretty thin swoops. Right, and my finger got it. And I can do one more because I'm gonna wear my hair in a high puff, so I want all the edges to be lit. Pull down whatever hair I'm gonna do there.
I feel like I need some more.
Yes.
I'm just trying to work they just trying to work your nerves. I'm just trying to read your mind. I'm just trying to please you mind. I'm just trying to you like they just trying to live in a fantasy. I feel it when you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? Talking about it eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my lady? Flow, can I blow up on your mind? This is not no Sandra Bull, but your potion number 9. Navigating through her eyes, destination to her thighs. And I hate to tell you too much, cause I stay with too much pride. And we way too young to know love. Maybe not, but we don't need no rush. Don't believe in love at first sight, but believe in love at first. Can I be with you just one night? I can wear you out inside. I can tell you like persistence, but I make you come and try. I just think we need one night. Can't decide if I can ain't right. Easy baby, my thing tight, but that lotus flower just ain't right. I ain't thinking I ain't right. Can't decide, but I can't fight. Easy baby, you the bomb and all, but I be damned if I do not wear mine. Or at least try. Can I speak up? Was it peace out? Can we eat lunch? Can we take shots with your flavor? Flat joints we call A-cups. I just think I need one night. Slightly more if it's done right. But that gorgeous face, I don't know your name. It ain't important, babe, cause I'm a woman.
Alright, I think I don't know. I feel like they're not as set as they could be, but this is how it looks. Here's how it looks. Alright, so I'm gonna put my scarf on for like 10 minutes and then come back and we'll see how it looks.
Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone. Yeah, I don't wanna put no pressure on ya. I just wanna put a blessing on ya. Since our last undressing session, I'm not really sure if you've been checking. I'm progressing. I just heard my songs is popping out in Macedonia and even Serbia. I don't mean to burden ya. If you got a man since then, I understand. Last thing I wanna do is get you jammed, especially if he's the fan. He probably never wanna hear my shit again. And I need every single sound scan. But if you single and you down, then I'm in your town, feeling for another round. I was counting down the days, been more patient than a Browns fan. Where that chip at?
Alright guys, it's been about 20 minutes, so I'm gonna take my scarf off and we're gonna see together if it was a flop or a win. So, kind of scared. What do you guys think? I feel like the problem is that my edges are like, I don't really have edges. It's just long hairs in the front. So I don't know. I think this is as good as it's gonna get with how long my hairs are here, but oh my gosh, how do you guys think I did? They're really flat. I like this. It's not like it's 24-hour edge tamer extreme firm hold, and I like it. It says extreme firm, but it feels kind of soft to me. But this is not a review on the edge control. This is a review on my edges. But what do you guys think? I think I did the best I could with what I have. So let me know how I did. Let me know if you like this video and give me suggestions on how I can do better. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.